Like today, boy, all I could think about was how gorgeous it was outside. Temperature is nice and pleasant. It's the month running much warmer than average. In fact, in a couple of spots in southern New England, we'll see a top 3 warmest May on record. It's also been a very dry May. Every month this year has been wetter than average up until this month. The groundwater's in great shape, and we do have some rain in the forecast, so I don't think it'll be a big issue overall for us. Temperatures tonight looking cool at the coastline, nice and mild inland. It's a beautiful evening out there and warm conditions across the eastern U.S. We've got a couple more days of warm weather to go before we start to see a pattern shift. Things very convoluted in the atmosphere right now. We've got Alberto and its remnants stretching up to another system in the upper Midwest, all of it trying to push east, but we're being protected by high pressure, and it will stay in control for one more day. You can see all of that rain stretched off to our south and west, though. The center of circulation just crossing the border right now into Michigan, southeast of Grand Rapids. Very unusual to see a storm hold together that far north. Only a handful have done that before. Now here tonight, we've got mainly clear skies. We'll see some lower to middle 50s, but many towns close to 50 degrees early tomorrow morning. It'll be a cool start to the day. Then we're looking at any coastal fog lifting, and then we're back into the bright skies. Temperatures very warm. Your cooler spot will be on the south coast with a south breeze for tomorrow. And the clouds will be thickening up as we head toward the end of the day. High temperatures getting to 80 from the Boston area north. That's where we'll see most of the sunshine. And then clouds will be moving into central Mass, so highs in the 70s there. The wind off the water keeping us in the 60s to 70s on the south coast. So at the beach, it's a nice day. Your warmest temps would be towards, say, the North Shore, the Seacoast area, where you have more sunshine out there. Your cooler temps, Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, as well as Cape Cod. We'll also be watching the humidity rise tomorrow afternoon, and especially tomorrow night. That's when it really starts to get muggy outside. It will be downright tropical as we head into the day on Friday. Very humid, very warm, temperatures reaching 80 in many towns on Friday for the 1st of June, and a chance for a couple of morning showers and downpours. During the evening, we'll see how close this front gets, but right now it looks like the majority of the activity would be to our west. On Saturday, some pop-up showers and storms look likely, especially towards central Massachusetts and down toward Connecticut. Farther north and east and near the coast, I think we'll have a much lower risk of any rainfall, mainly dry forecast. And on Sunday, the wind is onshore, which means we'll see a lot of cloud cover and also see a little bit of spotty drizzle potential and high temperatures close to 60. It's just tough to get much warmer when the wind's coming in off the Atlantic this time of year. And we keep the onshore wind for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so it looks like a pretty cool week next week. This week summer, next week spring.
Back to cool temperatures. All right, Eric, thank you very much.